Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about monthly stock market review, and we will figure out is it bullish or bearish, what's going on with the stock market world. Let's move to trading view and we will figure out. The month is over, the quarter is over. Let's do review and we will figure out. Like I said, if you want to learn more about trading view setup, I'm using trading view. Just go to the description, there is the link about trading view setup training and other links about all my trainings. Let's start it. Let me briefly mention about my setup. Let's see on weekly, right? SPX, weekly, let me close this one. Let's start. Okay, I'm using moving averages, simple moving averages. White line is SMA 200. Red line is SMA 10, green line SMA 5, yellow line EMA 20. Buy and sell script, MACD indicator green line and red line. Okay, MACD green line it's a bullish, red line it's a bearish. That's all. And Heikanachi and RSI yellow line, Heikanachi green it's a bullish, red it's a bearish. That's all. Very simple, and volume also. Let's start to do review. Let's start from SPX. It's S&P weekly time frame. Let's see, weekly. We will review weekly, monthly, and quarterly. I don't trade on the weekly, monthly, and quarterly. I'm just monitoring the trend direction. My style for swing trading, I am using 4 hours. I'm using 4 hours and daily time frame only for entry and exit position. That's all. Let's start. Weekly time frame, buy signal, no bullish crossover yet. MACD green, Heikanachi green, bullish crossover RSI. Looks like it's a bullish on weekly time frames. Buy, it's a bullish trend between major two trend lines. Let me maybe minimize it. This trend line started from top of the market, you see? There's two trend lines. Red one is a top, green one is a lower. We are in between this for last weeks, for last couple months. We are SPX between major trend lines. Let's move to monthly. Bullish trend on weekly, right? Monthly, let's see monthly. Green month. It touched upper trend. MA5 did bullish crossover over 10. The green line did bullish crossover over 10. It's a bullish. MACD still red, still bearish. Heikanachi still red, still bearish. RSI still below zero line. All indicators bearish except one. Only MA5 did bullish crossover. Only one indicator did bullish crossover. No buy signal yet. Still sell mode. Let's check quarterly. Monthly it is still bearish, right? Quarterly it is bearish. It is still sell signal. Still MA5 did bearish crossover over 10. Still bearish. MACD red, bearish. Heikanachi red, bearish. Quarterly it is fully bearish. Monthly and quarterly bearish. Weekly it is bullish. Let's move to Qs. Let's start weekly, right? Let's start weekly for Qs. Weekly for Qs, bullish trend. 3 weeks in a row, it's a bullish. Very nice, very aggressive, very large bars. MACD bullish, RSI it touched overbought territory. Let me remove this line. It's from daily charts. This line from daily charts. Volume is decreasing also on weekly time frame. Volume decreasing. Price action is uptrend. Volume is decreasing. Heikanachi, you see RSI it almost touched overbought territory on weekly time frame. Still bullish. Monthly time frame for Qs. Buy signal on the script. MA5 did bullish crossover. MACD is still bearish. RSI just did bullish crossover and Heikanachi turned to green. Okay, like 2 indicators bullish, 1 indicator bearish. Interesting. Not 2, actually 4. Buy signal in a script, MA5 did bullish crossover, 2. Fibonacci and RSI, 3. Only one indicator bearish. We can consider bullish on monthly time frame because of the all indicators. And let's see quarterly. Quarterly it is bearish. Bearish on moving averages, MA5 did bearish crossover, sell signal in script. MACD red bearish, Fibonacci red bearish, RSI below Fibonacci, it is bearish. It is bearish on all indicators on the quarterly time frame. And remember, it's a very huge time frame. Just 4 quarters per year. That's all. Let's move to Dow Jones. Dow Jones, let's start from weekly time frame again. It's a similar like SPX, right? It started, the two trend lines started from the top of the market. They have multiple points, and we still, like, for last 3-4 months, it is Dow Jones dancing between these two major trend lines. Still bearish on the moving averages, still sell script on the sell signal on the script. MACD is still bearish, Fibonacci is still bearish, weekly still bearish. Monthly Dow Jones bullish, MA5 did bullish crossover. RSI red bearish, MACD is still bearish. And buy signal mode, 2 indicators bullish, 2 indicators bearish. That's what we have on monthly. Let's see quarterly. Quarterly Dow Jones fully bearish, sell signal in the script, MA5 did bearish crossover, MACD red bearish, Fibonacci red bearish. Quarterly it is bearish. Let's move to IWM. IWM weekly. Russell 2000. Same trend direction, same major trend lines, lower and upper, right? Weekly it is bearish. The difference is Qs, SPX, S&P, Nasdaq and Dow weekly bullish, and IWM very weak, it is bearish. On weekly it is bearish sell mode, MACD bearish, Fibonacci bearish, RSI below Fibonacci. Monthly buy signal, MA5 did bullish crossover, MACD is still bearish, Fibonacci is still red, and RSI below zero line still bearish. Monthly it is bearish also. You see Russell 2000 very weak, weekly bearish, monthly bearish, quarterly bearish also. Quarterly it is bearish on all indicators. And it touched MA20, we'll see. You see this MA20 did touch in 2008, right? It did close out, actually did bearish crossover over in 2008. In 2020 it also didn't make bearish crossover. MA5 and 20 didn't make bearish crossover. Bars did cross 20. But now let's see for 4 quarters. Last 4 quarters, last 4 bars, they were dancing at the MA20. MA20 was very strong support. MA20 was very strong support, and looks like IWM maybe wants to bounce from it, or it will break out and will continue bearish crossover. That would be very bearish. That would be very bearish. The next support level over here, 150, 158, next support level. Okay, the IWM, the weakest index. Let's move to Apple. Let's see what's going on with Apple weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, Apple bullish signal on all indicators, right? Weekly Apple bullish on all indicators. Let's check monthly. Let me turn on my drawings. Okay, monthly Apple buy signal, no better, on buy signal still below 10. MACD still bearish, Fibonacci still bearish, RSI at Fibonacci level. Monthly, it's huge gain, right? It moved from a May 20, moved so high from very strong bar for last 3 months, very bullish trend. But not all, no full confirmation on all indicators. Only one indicator bullish. Let's check quarterly. Quarterly, green quarter. Apple still, you see, Apple on MA5 didn't make bearish crossover yet. Green quarter, MACD ready for bearish crossover, but it didn't happen yet. It's ready for it. Fibonacci already bearish. Fibonacci already bearish, but still in the bullish territory. Interesting, right? Let's go to Tesla. Let's see what's going on with Tesla. Let's see Tesla. Let's start weekly. Tesla weekly buy signal. Even MA5 did bearish crossover over 10, but buy signal. MACD is still bullish, Fibonacci is still bullish. All indicators still bullish. Bullish trend on weekly time frame for Tesla. Let's see monthly. Let's see what's going on monthly. Monthly Tesla, it's different. Monthly it is bearish. Monthly it is bearish. Sell signal and script still bearish on all indicators. And let's see quarterly. For Tesla, it is bearish also, right? Quarterly, it is so bearish. Quarterly, it is so bearish. Sell signal still bearish. Still bearish. No changes, no changes. Let's move to BABA, Alibaba Group. Let's see what's going on with BABA. BABA on weekly time frame. Let's start from weekly. Weekly time frame, BABA is bullish. Actually, no, I was wrong. It's kind of mixed mode. Buy signal, MA5 didn't make bullish crossover. MACD still bearish. Fibonacci just turned to green and RSI did bullish crossover. RSI can consider bullish and buy signal and script. 2 indicators bullish, 2 indicators bearish. Mixed mode for BABA, Alibaba Group. Let's move to monthly. Let's see what's going on with monthly. Monthly, it is still bearish, right? It did bearish crossover 2 years ago. It was February 2021. Now it just did bullish crossover. 2 years later, bullish crossover, buy signal and script. MA5 did bullish crossover. Fibonacci green. 2 years later, bullish crossover. BABA changed direction from bearish to bullish after 2 years on monthly time frame. Let's see quarterly. Let's see what's going on quarterly. Quarterly, not enough data, not enough bearish. Quarterly bearish, not enough data. Let's move to DXY wallet, USA dollar. USA dollar weekly. Let's see what's going on with USA dollar. I don't trade dollar, but I do monitor it. Sell signal on the script weekly. MACD wants to do bearish crossover. Fibonacci red. RSI in the bearish territory. Bearish signal and moving average is below 20. It is bearish. Bearish trend direction on weekly time frame for DXY USA dollar. Let's check monthly what's going on with USA dollar. Monthly it is bearish trend on all indicators. Sell signal on the script. MA5 did bearish crossover. MACD bearish red. Fibonacci red bearish. RSI below Fibonacci at zero line. Bearish trend monthly. It's a bullish for indexes. and yeah, it's disconnected. US dollar disconnected between indexes. On quarterly, it is correct. On quarterly, it is bullish. That's why index is still bearish on quarterly. That's what we have. Okay, let's do summary. Let's do summary. Like I mentioned already, the weakest index, Russell 2000. Russell 2000 bearish on weekly, monthly, and quarterly time frame. SPX and Dow and Qs. SPX and Dow bullish on weekly time frame and bearish on monthly and let's see. Weekly time frame they bullish, on monthly and quarterly they still bearish for SPY and Dow. Qs the strongest index, on weekly time frame it is bullish. On monthly time frame it is kind of bullish with but some one indicator bearish. Let's consider it bullish on monthly time frame. And quarterly Qs is bearish. Quarterly is bearish. That's what we have on the largest time frame. That's all. Thank you so much. Let's move to disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This video for educational and informational purposes only. Remember, for educational purpose we are using paper trading account. Thank you so much. Please read it. Thank you for watching simple trading style video. I do publish daily, weekly, monthly updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes, and cryptos. Please subscribe for my YouTube channel and click like button to support the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.